welcome to YouTube channel English Beginner. So I hope you are all fine and doing well. Okay, today let me explain my YouTube channel, then we'll go to the topic. So the name of my YouTube channel is English Beginner. So it is established in order to help everyone who would like to learn English, who want to speak English fluently, who want to enhance their spoken English, etc. Okay, so in order to do that, so if you see, my videos are arranged into different playlists. So there is grammar section, vocabulary, spoken English, communication, literature, soft skills, etc. So why I am telling all this? Because all these are important if you want to learn English and speak English fluently. So you need to learn words. So that is the vocabulary section. Without the words, you cannot learn a language. Okay, then grammar. So what is the use of grammar? So grammar helps us to construct sentence properly. Okay, so speak the language in a proper way. So that's grammar means rules related to the language. So grammar is also essential. Then you have communication. So sharing our ideas to others. So communication section helps us to share our thoughts and ideas to others. Then you have literature. So literature is also important. So we can do in-depth study in literature. In that way, it helps you to be proficient in any language. Then finally, you have soft skills. So that is also helps us to develop our personality and career development. Okay, so this is about English Beginner. I hope you are getting some benefit out of this. I'm sure end of the day you will benefit a lot from watching this English Beginner. Okay, so thank you for your support and love. So today's the topic is 30 days spoken English. So can you learn English or can you speak English fluently within 30 days? Yes, it is possible. So how it is possible? So I am going to give you some classes on spoken English. Okay, let's see 30 days. So today being the first day. So first day I am giving you 5 golden rules to speak English fluently. If you follow these 5 golden rules, you will surely speak English fluently after 30 days. Okay, there is no doubt in it. Let's see what are these 5 golden rules. The first rule is listen and understand. Listen and understand is very important. Okay, listen means not hearing. So listen to English lectures. Listen to English songs. Okay, listen to English videos. Listen to English audios. So listen means not just hearing. Listen with the focus and concentration. With the curiosity, just listen how the words are pronounced, how the voice is rising and going down. So all that you see, how the letters are pronounced, what is the pitch of the voice. So all that you have to listen and understand. Okay, that's important. That's the first point. Second point is practice and performance. So what you listened and what you understood, you have to practice. It's a kind of imitation. So imitation means copying what others doing. So we learn the language by imitating our parents. So we see when we are children, we watch our parents, how they speak. So in that way, we also try to speak. So this is also an easy method. So you watch others, how they speak, and you also try to speak like them. Okay, copying other things is bad, but imitating to speak like somebody is not bad. Okay, so learning a language. So you need to imitate how others, native speakers or English speakers, those who know English well, how they speak. So you try to practice that. So how to practice? So you can practice individually, personally, or as a group. So as personally, since you all have mobile phones, so you can record your voice. Start with the single words, then a group of words. Just you speak the words and record and try to say how you are able to pronounce those words. Then start with the sentences, simple sentences. Then go on to complex sentences, simple sentences to complex sentences. Then a short speech. So like that you practice. So what you listened and understood, second step you have to practice and perform. So that's very, very important. Third thing is, never translate in Tamil or other language in your mind. So when you hear some questions like how are you, so don't translate in your mind nalama irukraya nan nalam, like that you don't translate. Okay, try to give ready-made answers. So already you learned group of words, group of sentences. Use those words and sentences and give response. Never translate in your mind in vernacular or in Tamil or in any other language. So learn English to English. Never learn from Tamil to English. Okay, so if you learn English to English, your learning will be natural and you will get lot of benefits. Understand? So never translate in your mind into other language. So just understand as it is and try to respond to that. Next, fourth golden rule, English environment. So English environment means we need to have some atmosphere where you can speak English. Yeah. So for that we cannot go to London or New York. So we have to make use of the opportunities given to us in any situation. Either you are in school or college or you are working in office, some opportunity is given to you. Okay, maybe you can create your own opportunity. Like today I will speak only in English. So today we are going to discuss only in English. Like that you can create, or the professors may give you chance to speak in the classroom or in the meeting. So like those opportunities you have to grab and make use of it. So this is the way you create English atmosphere. Then only you can improve or enhance your spoken English. Understand? So create an atmosphere of English. That's very, very important. You can create either in group or individually, or whenever you get a chance, you make use of it. And when you meet any professor or teachers, try to speak with them in English. Or you go to the tourist place. You go to the place and where you can find people from other states and other countries, and you can have a conversation with them. Be friendly with them. Try to listen to them. Talk with them. So maybe in tourist place or maybe in mall or in any other, even in your universities where students are from different states. So you can have a conversation with them in English. So don't be afraid to talk in English with those who know English. Understand? They will not underestimate. So this way you can be in English atmosphere. That will help you to enhance your spoken English. Okay. The last golden rule is read. So whenever you get an opportunity, you read. You can read a piece of paper, you can read a newspaper, you can read any magazine, you can read any book, a novel or a short story, etc. Okay. If you develop reading habits, you will speak English fluently within a short period of time. Why for 30 days? Even within 15 days, you will be able to speak English proficiently and fluently. Sometimes you may speak better than me. Okay, because you have that caliber. If you practice regularly all these 5 golden rules, I promise you, you will speak English fluently. Okay, finally you must believe in yourself. That's very, very important. Okay, so I think I can. So I can speak English fluently. Okay, I can speak English like that professor. I can speak English like that president. Some target you keep in your mind, and one day you will speak English fluently. Okay, there are so many people who have followed these rules and have become successful in speaking English fluently and proficiently. I wish you, all of you, watch this video, so you will certainly speak English fluently and proficiently. You are watching this video because you are interested to speak in English. Okay, so best of luck all the way. Thank you.